I started out here at Caterpillar as a beginner welder myself. Over the years, I've been here for going on 6 years now, and I've grown through the company, and now I am a team lead. I've seen many people come through our weld school station that, just like myself, started out as beginners, and now they have worked their way up to what I would consider fantastic welders myself. The reason why I became a welder for Caterpillar is not only because the pride that it takes to complete your daily task, but the respect and the knowledge that it takes to be an actual welder itself for Caterpillar. There's a lot of quality aspects to it. Our customers demand the utmost best, and that's what we thrive on giving them on a daily basis.